morning, students. I hope that you can hear me clearly. Is the sound clear? Everyone, is the sound clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is our second last class. And I think in the Tuesday is your midterm exam, right?
Yes.
Okay. And the topic is Fourier series, Fourier integral, and solving boundary value problem. So for that midterm exam for the topic Fourier series, today I will discuss some problems related Fourier series, Fourier integral, and boundary value problem, which is you can consider those maths as a suggestion for your midterm exam and for your final exam also. Okay. Basically, it's not the suggestion. I just give you some idea how can you take the preparation regarding this topic. Okay. And you know that for Fourier analysis, we cannot find or practice a lots of math because there is a limitation to find out those maths. So from Fourier series, you can get lots of maths. So practice those maths from our today's provided maths. And I think it will be helpful for you for both your midterm exam and final exam. And from another topic, suppose Fourier transformation, Fourier integral, and solving boundary value problem. I just write down some maths which I solved in your lecture or which is included in your PDF file. I just give you the list, okay? And one thing is that I think maximum students, no, maximum are not present. But already 5 minutes over, so I think we should start now. In your Google Classroom, I also provided one PDF file named as More Examples of Fourier Series. So I hope you will see that PDF file, and the problems are as similar as our previous problems of the subject or of the topic Fourier Series. So at first, we will start the review class from Fourier analysis. And you know that from the topic Fourier series, you have to practice more maths except your class recording and class PDF file, okay? And today I will give some list of those maths, and those list is enough for you for your practice. So from the Fourier analysis, and the first topic for the section Fourier analysis is Fourier series.
ম্যাম একটু ডিস্টার্ব করলাম ম্যাম 68 পেজের স্লাইড দিচ্ছেন ম্যাম
68 পেজে
ম্যাম
it's
এটা
not
এটা কি করলেন ম্যাম
I provide that slide for seeing or for getting idea about Fourier series. It's not necessary you have to practice all those maths for your exam. Okay, it's for your understanding that slide, and I will provide a list in this class for your practice for your exam. Okay.
ম্যাম এমনি টাইম কম ম্যাম এইভাবে আমাদের মানে অত্যাচার করেন না ম্যাম এইভাবে মানে 68 পেজ আপনার ক্লাস লেকচার প্লাস মানে
আপনাদের ওই স্লাইডটা কমপ্লিট করতে হচ্ছে না এক্সামের জন্য, ঠিক আছে? শুধুমাত্র আজকে যে কোশ্চেনের নাম্বারগুলো দেওয়া হচ্ছে এগুলো করলেই আনা। এবং হচ্ছে ফুরিয়ার সিরিজের কিন্তু আপনার হচ্ছে নরমালি rules are similar, so the different thing is that you have to conduct your integration in different form, nothing else. Okay, so that's maths for your practicing. If anyone wants, then you can practice from there, otherwise you can follow this, it's enough. সবার জন্য বলছি যে আপনাদের ওই মোর এক্সাম্পলস এর যে শীটটা দেওয়া হয়েছে ওটা কেউ যদি ইন্টারেস্টেড থাকেন ওখানে কিছু মানে এক্সেপশনাল এক্সাম্পল দেওয়া আছে, তো প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারেন, বাট ওটা কম্পালসারি না আপনার এক্সামের জন্য, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, সো ফ্রম দ্য টপিক ফুরিয়ার সিরিজ, You have to know the definition of these two topics. One is what is Fourier series and what is periodic functions. And it's better if you learn one example of periodic functions, and it is possible to give an example for Fourier series. Okay. After this topic, now the expansion of function for Fourier series. Question number 1. Uh, and the second one is the function f of x is e to the power plus x. Here f of x is e to the power minus x, and your function will be f of x is equal e to the power plus x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. Okay. The question is saying you have to obtain the Fourier series for the function f of x. For the first problem, it is e to the power minus x, and for the second problem, it is e to the power plus x. And for question number 3, these maths are included in your class PDF file. Okay, these are not the extra maths which are included. This is included in your class materials. These portions are included in your class materials.
ম্যাম 4 নাম্বার কোশ্চেনের নিচের লাইনটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না। ম্যাম 4 নাম্বার কোশ্চেনে এন্ড এর পরে কি লিখছেন?
And evaluate summation of infinity n is equals to 1 by n squared. Okay, so students, from the topic Fourier series, these 6 maths is included in your class PDF file. Now I will add extra 4 maths. Then from Fourier series, you have to complete only 10 maths. Okay, so now I write down 4 extra maths, which is included to the topic Fourier series.
ম্যাম এই 6টা কোশ্চেন কি অ্যানসার সহ ম্যাডাম আমাদের পিডিএফ এ দেয়া আছে?
Yes, yes.
ম্যাম বাকি 4টার আনসার কোথায় পাবো?
At first try yourself, and if you fail, then inform me. I will provide.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, what's the question?
Ma'am, in question 5 or 6, ma'am, এখানে তো বাইরে আগের কোশ্চেনে তো বলা নাই যে হচ্ছে এটা মানে হাফ রেঞ্জ সাইন বা কোসাইন সিরিজ। ম্যাম এট ফার্স্ট কি আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা ম্যাথের শুরুতে এটা মানে চেক করে নিতে হবে যেটাকে সাইন
While it
সিরিজ
is
না?
not given half-range sine series and cosine series, in that case, you can check the properties for odd function or even function. If your given function is odd or even, then you can use that formula. Otherwise, you have to use the original formula. That means the internal formula, which is not fixed for half-range Fourier series, half-range sine series, or cosine series. Then you have to use the full series. Okay, when your
ম্যাম যদি
function
যদি বলা না থাকে, যদি বলা যে ফাইন্ড দ্য ফুরিয়ার সিরিজ, দেন ফার্স্ট আমরা চেক করব যেটা
চেক
অড না
করবেন,
ইভেন।
যদি অড না ইভেন, যদি কোনোটাই না হয় আপনি রাফেও চেক করতে পারেন। ঠিক আছে, এটা এমন না যে আমাকে চেক করে দেখাতে হবে। আপনি রাফে চেক করবেন, যদি দেখেন অড অর ইভেন, দেন আপনি কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সারে চেক করবেন। আদারওয়াইজ যদি অড ইভেন কিছুই না হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে আপনাকে দেখাতে হবে না। ইউ ক্যান ট্রাই টু ইউজ দ্য ফুল সিরিজ।
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
Now I write down 4 extra maths regarding this topic Fourier series. So at first try at home, and if you fail, then inform me. I will provide the answer in your Google Classroom. Okay. Basically, these one and these one are similar thing. Here in this function, there is an extra constant term pi by 4, and here the constant term pi by 4 is missing. And the main thing for this function and for this function are similar.
ম্যাম এটা দুইটা ম্যাথ হয়ে গেল?
দুইটা হয়ে গেছে, কোনো প্রবলেম। প্রবলেম কি জানেন, আপনাদেরকে আসলে কিছু বলাই ঠিক না, আপনারা নিজেদের মতো প্রিপারেশন নেবেন, দ্যাটস এনাফ।
না ম্যাডাম।
Okay, so this is the first one for extra math. Now the second one is you have to find the Fourier series for the function f of x, where f of x is equal minus x minus pi less than x less than 0 plus x 0 less than x less than pi. This is your second question. You have to obtain the Fourier series for this function f of x is equals to this. And the next one is your question number 3. Show that x plus x squared is equal series of sines.
ম্যাম ডান সাইডে দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Basically, it is from minus pi less than x less than pi. Okay, it is minus pi less than x less than pi. Here, this is your question number 3. What is this? You have to find the series of sines and cosines. When it is right on sines and cosine series, that means you have to find the full series, not for even, not for or not for half range. You have to find the Fourier series for full range series. Okay, it contains both the sine term and cos term. And here of the multiple of x, which will represent this. That means here your function is x plus x square. You have to consider that your function will be x plus x square. So consider that your function f of x is equals to x plus x square. Now you have to find the Fourier series for the function f of x is equals to x plus x square in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. And after obtaining your result, you have to evaluate this result. Summation of infinity n is equals to 1 by n square is equals to pi square by 6. I think this math was included in your assignment. I cannot remember exactly. But still, if anyone have any problem, then inform me. I will provide the answer sheet.
ম্যাম ফার্স্ট দুইটা কোশ্চেন ম্যাম আমি আস্ক করেছি যে দুইটা কোশ্চেন না ওইটা একটা ম্যাম ছিল
No problem.
যেটা মুছে দিয়েছেন।
Okay, no problem.
ইয়েস ম্যাম, এটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে ছিল না।
Assignment ছিল না? And the another thing is that I'm not included this maths for you. You should know what is the meaning for modulus of x. Okay, what is the meaning for modulus of x? Suppose I ask you find the Fourier series for the function modulus of x, and your interval is given from minus pi less than x less than 0 and 0 less than x less than pi. That means your whole range is from minus pi less than x less than pi. Okay. Yeah, I think this math was also included in your assignment. What is the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equals to modulus of x? Basically, it is as similar as the problem. Here your modulus of x, right? Modulus of x means plus x and minus x. For the interval when modulus of x is equals to plus x when x is greater than 0, and when modulus of x is minus x if your x is less than 0. Okay, here this is necessary basically for your viva term. It is not included in your practice maths for your written exam. Okay, I just included for your viva. What is the meaning for modulus of x, or what will be the piecewise expansion of the function modulus of x? In that case, you can write down from here that it will be plus x for the range x greater than 0 and minus x for the range x less than 0, and it is the piecewise expansion of your given function f of x is equals to modulus of x. Okay. Now the last one, question number 4. Find the Fourier series of the function f of x is equals to 0 when your range is minus pi less than equal to x less than equal to 0, and sin x when 0 less than x less than or equal pi. Okay, so that's all from the topic Fourier series. You have to complete this 4 extra maths and 6 maths which is included in your class PDF 5. So that will be enough for the preparation of the topic Fourier series. Now the next one is Fourier transform. Next one is Fourier transform. Sorry, before Fourier transform, we'll discuss about the Fourier integral. Here, the one question, something like this, write down the formula of Fourier integral and from there derive the formula for odd functions and even functions. I think I have proved these derivations in your class. Write down the formula of Fourier integral. Fourier integral and derive the Okay, here there is a derivation for the topic Fourier integral, and you know that there are 4 or 5 maps is included in your class PDF file. I just write down the main thing. I will not write down the whole question. There is a one proof that 0 to infinity cos
ম্যাম
yes, yes.
ম্যাম বুঝছি না ম্যাম, এটা কি সাজেশন না ম্যাম কোন টাস্ক নাকি ম্যাম বুঝতে পারছি না, আপনি এতগুলো কোশ্চেন দিলেন।
You can consider it as a suggestion for your final exam or your midterm exam. Here, I just want to give you the list of maths which is suitable for your midterm and your term final exam. If you want, then you can follow this one, okay? It is not your task. I think it will help you to take your preparation for your midterm exam or your final exam, because in many times we cannot decide which maths is necessary or which we will pick which maths for the preparation of our coming exam. That's why I just give you a list of maths which we have completed in our this course. Okay.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
মাঝে মাঝে এমন হয় না যে আসলে বোঝার সবকিছু ক্লাস করলেও একটু কনফিউজ থাকা হয় যে এটা করতে হবে কি হবে না, এটা মানে পড়বো কি পড়বো না, বা এটা ক্লাসে করানো হয়েছে কি হয়েছে না। I just give this list for removing your confusion. Okay, this is the first one, and in this topic probably there are 4 maths. And one important thing is that from this 4 maths you will get 1 in your exam. From these 4 maths, you will get 1 maths in your exam. 0 to infinity x sine mx divided by x square plus 1 into dx is equals to pi by 2 e to the power minus m, comma m greater than 0.
ম্যাম নিচে ম্যাথটা করানো হয়েছিল না ম্যাম ক্লাসে?
Yes.
cos ux
Probably I solved 1 maths from here and all of these are similar. Here, all of these maths are similar.
ম্যাম আপনি ফুরিয়ার ইন্টিগ্রাল ম্যাম 3টা ম্যাথ করিয়েছিলেন।
3টা করেছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ।
Okay, here this is your first portion. This is your first portion, this is your second portion, this is your third portion, and I write down extra 2 maths from here. U sine, portion 4 is 0 to infinity, U sine ux divided by k square plus u square into du pi by 2 e to the power minus kx, comma, k greater than 0. And the last one is, oh, okay, this is the last one, okay. So from this topic here, there are 4 maths from the topic Fourier integral, and if you complete this 4-1, then I expect that you will be able to complete the math which you get in your exam from this topic Fourier integral. And here one thing is that you know that the calculation of this math is larger. In that case, you can use there is a short way for conducting the integration of this math. I just write down it for you. Here you
Madam,
yeah.
Fourier integral derivation of formula for odd and even function কি exam এর জন্য?
হ্যাঁ লাগবে দেখে তো লিখেছি। You have to learn it.
ম্যাম ফুরিয়ার সিরিজ আর ফুরিয়ার ইন্টিগ্রাল ম্যাম করলে ম্যাম দুইটা কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার দেওয়া যাবে না ম্যাম? সাপোজ বাউন্ডারি
এখানে আসলে আপনার বাদের মতো আপনি হচ্ছে আচ্ছা আপনি জানতে
মিডটার্মের
চাচ্ছেন
জন্য ম্যাম।
midterm জন্য yes in midterm you will get 3 questions and from here you have to answer to 1, but my suggestion is that please drop or skip any topic. If you skip that topic, then you will not, then it will be unknown to you for the final exam. So try to complete whole syllabus and it will be helpful for you in the final exam. আপনারা যদি পুরো সিলেবাসটা কমপ্লিট করেন তাহলে এটা আপনাদের জন্য ফাইনাল এক্সামে হচ্ছে একটু ইউজফুল হবে, তাই না? Okay, now for these 4 maths, you know that the calculation for such type of problems are quite lengthy. So here there is a short way for conducting your integration. Suppose like this, you want to integrate this part e to the power minus t cos ut dt. Okay, so for conducting this, you have to use the formula of uv formula, but here for that e to the power minus t cos ut dt, there is a special formula for conducting the integration of this. And if you want to use this special formula, then you have to must write down a side note of that formula. Suppose here there is a integral and you want to conduct the integration using that formula. So at first you should write down that we know e to the power 8ax cos bx dx equal e to the power x divided by a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx. Okay, so here by using this formula you can directly find out the integration of this term without using the uv formula. I think using uv formula is quite lengthy, but if anyone wants to use the direct result of this integration, then you have to write down this side note. We know that e to the power ax cos bx dx, the integration of this is equals to e to the power x by a square b square. And here for this integration, the values for a is equals to -1, right? The values for a is equals to -1, and now we will write down the direct answer for this by using this formula. It will be e to the power ax. A is -1, so it will be minus t divided by a square plus b square minus 1 whole square is equals to 1, and b is what here? Cos ut and dt. Here t is x and b is u. Okay, ut is x.
Ma'am,
yes,
সরি একটু ডিস্টার্ব করলাম, মানে আপনি যে থিওরি বা রুলস গুলো আছে ম্যাম, ওইটা কি আমরা স্টেটমেন্টই পড়বো শুধু, প্রুফ তো লাগবে না? না
থিওরি
মানে যে রুলস গুলো আছে বা স্টেটমেন্ট গুলো আছে, ওগুলো প্রুফ কি পড়তে হবে নাকি শুধু স্টেটমেন্টটা পড়লে হবে?
আপনি কি ফুরিয়ার অ্যানালাইসিসের কথা বলছেন?
জি ম্যাম।
ফুরিয়ার অ্যানালাইসিসে তো ওরকম কোনো রুলস ওইভাবে স্টেটমেন্ট আকারে পড়ানো হয়নি, হয়েছে?
না ম্যাম, মানে
এটা
আমি
আপনি ল্যাপ্লাস ট্রান্সফরমেশনের কথা বলতে পারেন, কারণ ল্যাপ্লাস ট্রান্সফরমেশন অনেক স্টেটমেন্ট,
মানে আমি ওভারঅল জিজ্ঞেস করতেছিলাম।
ওভারঅল, আচ্ছা
ওভারঅল
স্টেটমেন্ট বললেই হবে।
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ।
ওকে, So from here, you can see that b is equals to u. So you can write down 1 plus u square. And the result for a is -1. So it will be minus cos b is equals to u, ux. B is equals to u sine ux, right? So this is the shortest way to complete this integration for conducting the problem Fourier integral. And if you want to use this shortest way, then you have to must include this formula that we know this, and by using this formula from here we get this answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Otherwise you can use the procedure which I followed in the class, but I think it's a lengthy process and it is time consuming. That's why I write down this one. Now the topic Fourier transformation. From the topic Fourier transformation, at first you have to learn some formula, right? For finite Fourier sine transformation, Fourier transformation. It's not definition. You have to learn the formula for finite Fourier sine transformation, infinite Fourier sine transformation, finite and infinite Fourier sine transform, and the same thing, finite and infinite Fourier cosine transform. You have to learn this formula, okay? And after completing this, there is a convolution theorem. After learning this, there is a convolution theorem. So you have to learn the definition of convolution, statement, and proof. From here, you can skip the proof of this theorem, but the definition and the statement is must. Students, from here, you can skip the proof of your convolution theorem, but the statement and definition is must. Okay.
প্রুফটা পড়তে হবে?
You can skip it. Proofটা exam final term বা mid term proof করতে হবে না আপনাকে. But if anyone is interested, then you can do it. So find the Fourier sine transformation of the function. Okay. Now the question number 1 regarding the topic Fourier transform, that is find the Fourier transform. Find the Fourier sine transform of e to the power -x, where x is greater than or equal 0. Question number 2, find the Fourier sine transform. Find the finite. These all maths are included in your class materials, okay? This is your question number 3, and this is also included in your class materials. And there is another math which is as similar as this first one. Okay, there is another one which is similar to this math, that is question number 4. Find the Fourier transform. Find Fourier transform of f of x is equals to 1 minus x square modulus of x less than 1, 0, modulus of x greater than 1, and evaluate 0 to infinity sin x minus x cos x divided by x cube into cos x by 2 dx is equals to 3 pi by 60. And there is another one, you have to solve a integral equation by using Fourier transformation. Solve the integral equation. And these maths, these are important. Fourier integral equation 0 to infinity f of x cos ux dx is equals to 1 minus u, 0 less than equal u less than 1, and 0 for u greater than 1, and hence dx. Okay, so students, that's all from the topic Fourier transformation. Here there are 7 maths from the topic Fourier transformation. Okay. Now I think the last topic is solving boundary value problem, right? And for solving boundary value problem, I have provided 2 PDF file in your Google Classroom, and it includes 7 or 8 maths, and that maths are enough. And the problems which I solve in the Google class, in your class, and which is included in your PDF file. So the problems solved in the class and provided in the Google Classroom are also included in your PDF file, in your extra 2 PDF file. So I think for the topic solving boundary value problem, that 7 maths are important, and that's enough for you, okay? So for the topic solving boundary value problem, last topic, boundary value problem, solving boundary value problem. Follow your class recording. Class recording, class PDF file or class materials uploaded in the Google Classroom. And I think these 2 are included in the uploaded to PDF. Can you remember I uploaded 2 PDF files from your reference book in the Google Classroom for the topic solving boundary value problem? মনে আছে
Yes, ma'am.
আপনাদের? ওই দুইটা PDF ফাইলে আপনি আপনার ক্লাসে যে ম্যাথ করানো হয়েছে and class materials is included in those 2 PDF files. So for taking preparation for the problem or the topic boundary value problem by using Fourier transformation, I think that 2 PDF files which includes 7 maths are enough. Otherwise, you can practice the class recording or the class materials which I uploaded in the Google Classroom. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, from the math boundary value problem, ma'am, the last math of second PDF you provided, ma'am,
Yes.
that math is too difficult, ma'am. I
Is it
didn't understand
difficult?
that. Yes, ma'am. It's a bit different from others.
Okay, I will check it. If it is too much difficult for you, then I will avoid this one. Okay,
The last one, ma'am.
the last one. Okay, I will check.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamualaikum.
So students, that's all for your topic Fourier analysis, and your next class I will write down the selected maths number in your Google class from the topic Laplace transformation. Okay, is there any query? Otherwise I will stop here.
मैम recording আজকে দিয়ে দিন
Sorry,
recording টা আজকে দিয়ে দিন
obviously I will provide the recording. And
Ma'am.
one thing, yes.
নিউ ম্যাথ যেগুলো দিছেন ম্যাম ওগুলোর সলিউশনের পিডিএফটা ম্যাম গুগল ক্লাসরুমে আপলোড করে দিন ম্যাম।
নিউ ম্যাথস বলতে শুধুমাত্র ফুরিয়ার সিরিজ থেকে 4টা নিউ ম্যাথস দেওয়া হয়েছে। এট ফার্স্ট বাসে ট্রাই করেন। আই হোপ ইউ উইল কমপ্লিট দ্যাট। আর যদি না পারেন আমি অবভিয়াসলি দিব, ঠিক আছে? বাসায় নিজেদেরকে তো কিছু প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে, তাই না?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
টাইম খুব কম তো এই জন্য।
না, টাইম কম কে বলেছে? মিট কবে?
পরশুদিন ম্যাম।
পরশু ম্যাম।
অনেক সিলেবাস।
অনেক সিলেবাস?
জি
Okay,
ম্যাম।
if you are failed then inform me, I must provide it. So I hope all of you have written your ID number in the chat box. So everyone, you can leave now. Our class is over.